Clear? Okay. Can you pronounce this word one by one? Preposition. Preposition. This is actually pre and position. Pre means first. So we need to add a word before noun. We need to add a word before noun. It's called a preposition. I'll show you like I have shown it to my kid. Let us suppose this is a box. This is the room. If anything is within the boundary, but that should be in rest. We are dash room. We are in. It shows. He came into the room. Motion. Clear? We are all sitting in the room. He came into the room. Into shows
Motion.
is rest. If one surface has, if there is contact of two surfaces, okay, if I say you are not allowed to come in the premises, you are not allowed to use the phone on the premises, which one is correct? Both are correct. Both are correct. You are not allowed to come in premises, that is within the bond. Okay, settled, settled, settled. Okay, two surfaces on. Somebody can ask a question. If I say no mobile phones are allowed on premises or in premises, which one is absolutely correct? Okay. Suppose this is earth. We say don't live. So premises में in क्यों? हाँ. See, that is the concept. That is the concept. If you are talking about the boundary, then you must use within. Not in, then within. When you are, for example, this room, we are in room, but on floor. In room, on floor. So on premises. Acha. Place. Above. Over. Below. Under. These are the degrees of height and the depth. Aeroplane flew dash mountains. Okay, above is, oh, this is the degree. You must also understand the degree of height. It goes over my head or above my head. Above my head. Above my head is most properly, not over my head. Over my head is it goes, it actually degree of. Over is actually I have understood nothing, I am blank, right? Above my head is I have not been able to understand this point. Similarly, below, under, we say underground water. We say, do we say below ground water? We say, so degree, right? यहाँ पे above, over, below, under. यहाँ पे in modern English we don't use this word, we use or simply neath. Beneath or neath. In poetry usually this word is, you will see it. Do you know why they leave certain words and put comma? For example, if I say, can you pronounce this word?
Honorable.
Honorable. What is the function of apostrophe? What is the function of apostrophe? Function of apostrophe. Is this a comma or apostrophe? Apostrophe. Say apostrophe. Apostrophe. Apostrophe, one of the major function of apostrophe is you can omit the words between. In poetry, if you say this, that means since they are writing for the meter, for the beats, right? For example, he needs 2 beats, the word is of 3 beats. He omits a word, puts a comma and makes it neath, while as we understand it is beneath. Okay, now over, above, below, under, on and in, right? And into as well. Into as well. All these words are prepositions because they are used before nouns, right? But there are certain rules wherein they can be used other than prepositions. For example, read the sentence. What he exactly says. Is there any class who is tagged 9th and he is in that class? No. Currently studying. Currently studying. So don't get fixed to the words that you use these words always for prepositions. Right? It shows his study class, current study class. And class, when you talk of class, the concept is we are in the boundary. Supposing there is a class under the sky, Shanti Niketan. Have you ever heard a word Shanti Niketan? Whereas there is no roof over the class. What can we say? He is dash class. In concept ही नहीं है. इनका क्या बोला मैंने? Container. इनका concept है. It should be a container, closed place. So we can say the class goes under the canopy. Under the canopy, छत के नीचे. So again here is under. अब यहाँ पे हमने under क्या किया use? नीचे. यहाँ पे क्या है? Tree है, but our place is under it. Under the tree. The cat is sitting under the table, right? On the table means surface. Under the table, ठीक है? Above the table, ऊपर. ठीक है? At the table, if I say at the table, close to it. Close to it, not contact, close to it. Now, if there is a question of division, distribution, as mathematics, you know the what is distribution? Division is distribution. Shall I take it for granted? Division is distribution? Is division distribution?
Yes, sir. No.
Okay. Okay. If I say share this between 2 people, is it division or distribution? Sure. Okay, it is in preposition we say it is distribution. It is distribution. Say when you have to distribute something between 2 people, only 2 people, only use between. A friendship between me and Tahleel sir. Between. Right? Divide these sweets among students, among his group. Among is group. And we can also use two different nouns. If I say distribute these sweets among boys and girls. So a group of boys, a group of girls. But if you take individual, then between. If group, then among. Clear? This is something this is something very important, and you might have not heard about onto. What is onto? See, I'll drop this. I will drop this and it fell on the ground. If I take motion into consideration before rest, it is onto. The ball fell onto the ground. Not into the ground. Not onto, because there will be a surface to surface contact. When there will be surface to surface contact, the preposition is on. This is direction. Go to library. This to shows direction. To shows direction. Or actually word is towards, but we can use to. Right? Now very important word is this. Very important word. And this is most misused preposition. I am looking for you. I am looking on you. I am looking at you. Which one is right? When I say I am looking for you, right? I am waiting for you. Searching. If I look, I am saying I look at you. There is eyeball to eyeball contact. Right? How many times you can use this word at? Look, see, stare, ogle. What is ogle? Not goggle. Come on. See, it says if I look at you without blink of an eye for a long time, we say ogle. Okay, gaze. Okay, gaze is a lesser degree than this. Okay, you can say gaze. No. What place? Anything you look at constantly without blink is ogle. I met. वो भी अभी देख ले. पहले हम देखते हैं स्टेयर का, ठीक है ना? और there are two more words I need it from you where we use at. Yeah? At stars. Okay, so place. If there is an accuracy of place, I am at Karanagar in Srinagar. Smaller place at, bigger place in. I am at airport in Srinagar. Right? So place and observation, looking and place. What else we can use? There is one more use of at. We say, I can define it at length. At that time, this at is a verbal phrase. It is not preposition. So that's what I'm saying. At times, you will see, like in the class, there are indications of prepositions, but they are used in different way. Now there are two questions to be asked for a preposition. Number one will be misplaced preposition. Second, there will be no preposition. Misplaced preposition, and there will be, for example, write down 3 sentences. We are. इसके साथ साथ मैं आपका इसमें आर्टिकल भी खाऊंगा. You will get revised in the time. टेनिस भी खाऊंगा, आपका रिवाइज हो जाएगा. फिर क्या बचेगा? SSB exam. Okay. We are dash. Jazakallah. See, concept on, in, at. So when you are saying at, you are pointing towards a point. On has a bigger area, lesser and very focused. So when you talk of at, the target is given very short. For example, I live on earth in Srinagar at Nowshera. See the condensation. It reaches to a point. At makes us to reach at a point. Clear? Remember this. And two more. One is beside. This S is actually addition. Beside samosa, I took a chapati. In addition to samosa, I took a chapati. So in addition or beside. Beside means to the side of. To the side of. Shadil is sitting beside Adil. Right? It means to the side of. कल मैंने आपको बोला what is the word for bald? Okay, now see at, you are pointing towards the head, so focus, point. ठीक है, look at me, focus only one. ठीक है ना, look on for the places in the map, on. ठीक, so this is how you can actually work. Okay, now few sentence variant. You have to insert suitable prepositions. There can be choices, huh? But see, if I say at time, on time, in time. At, on, in. What is difference? At 4 o'clock? At 4 o'clock? Okay. Focus, sharp, accurate. On time? On time? It can be a bit earlier or a bit late. In time, within the span that has been given to us. You should reach here within 4:30. Within 4:30. You should reach here at 4:30 means 4:30. On 4:30, 5 or 3:30, 3:58. Right? So accurate is this. And invitations, when you write invitations, particularly and message, right, use this preposition. Because we are already aware of these two. हमने at को भी on ही बना दिया ना. So we must be particular in writing at. Right? At 4 o'clock. So whenever there is a clock, concept of clock, right? At is the preposition.